Hello everybody, my name is Kezirigbe. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making a coily wig. Stay tuned and let's get started. To make this wig, I'm using a darling hair weave. It's called Caribbean coil. I love this hair. I'm using my thread and needle, of course, as usual. And then this 2-inch elastic band. Then I have my wig cap. The cap is already on the mannequin, and of course I'm using a mannequin. So this is the hair I'm using. It's like black and wine, and it comes with like 6 different wraps. It's long, some are short. So I'm starting with the long ones because I want it a little bit long. But if you want it very short, you can start with the short ones, then use the long one at the top. But I'm starting with the long ones. Start by fixing my weave at the back all the way to the top gradually. If you don't know how to fix your weave, you need to watch my introductory video on how to fix your weave. I have it on my channel. I'm going to put it in the description below, and I'll attach it right there where you can click on it to learn how to fix your weave. But once you know how to do that, you can just keep watching this video to see how I will lay this weave gradually till I get to the front. I'm installing the second bundle, and this one is a bit shorter than the first bundle. So I'll just continue installing the weave till I get to the front there where you have the lace attached to the other parts. So that is where I'll stop. Where you have something like a U part there, I'll stop there. Then we'll start installing the weave to form the invisible part at the front. So now we want to start installing the weave for the front, and for this part I'll just do this differently. I'll place the weave straight the way it looks right now, and then I'll sew this just straight to the end, turn it the other way around, sew it straight to the other side. We won't be turning this like a U part, we'll just sew straight forward, turn over and straight backwards, just like that. At this point I'm getting close to the pattern, so now I want to make the pattern really high, so I laid about 4 different weave together, that's 4 wefts, to give that place a little bit of volume. If you like your pattern really high, for me I love my pattern high, so I made it into 4 places. That is what I'm sewing there, and that will give that part volume. It's time to install the invisible part, and what I'll do is that I'll double this weave into 4 places, and as you can see, I'm sewing it towards the part that goes down, not the part that is upward. There's a reason for that. If you sew it from the part that is upward and you try to open it up, it's not going to lay really well. So I'll sew it this way, and when I'm sewing it this way, I'll make sure my stitches are really close, very close, so that by the time you open it up, you won't see any kind of spaces or thread or the cap. You want to make sure your stitch is really close and really tight, so that you don't see any thread when you open up the invisible part. So that is how I make my invisible part. So once I get to the end there, I'll close that up. I'll make sure I stitch that very well, and then I'll stitch the other side to give it an extra volume and to close that opening over there. I'll open up the pattern. As you can see, the pattern looks really good. We're not seeing any cap there. You just use your hands to really sort out the pattern, and if it's human hair, you can use heat to make sure that pattern is really flat. So that is how we make the invisible part. I'm attaching elastic bands to the wig cap because that will make it really firm and steady. So on the other video, you'll see how I measure the elastic band before I attach it to my wig. So this is the final look of the wig. It's really gorgeous, it's really easy. I used darling hair, it's really affordable, and you don't have to break a bank before you can make a very cheeky wig. So this is the final look. I love it, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous. Thank you guys for watching. See you, bye.